What's up, guys? Just wanted to show you a little bit from today. It's only a couple minutes worth. I mean, I was there all day doing a lot of stuff, but wanted to bring you a continuation of this because it seems this video has a lot of interest. So I wanted to show you guys what the inside looks like and what's been going on here. So here we go, boys.
There's a little bit of the inside, guys. All the way down, 9 of them. This one here, I gotta go up and that's one I got a solenoid problem. The solenoid's not opening. Wanted to show you guys some of these blowers, what they look like inside. Pretty big. There's some big boys. Look at these drain lines, huh? Look at how nice those are piped. Take note, everyone. That's how you run pipe, and it goes right outside of the building. That's like a work of art right there. You can't just come in and do that. You gotta have a skill to be able to do something like that. It's perfect. It's like 2-inch pipe there as well. My buddy Stevie did that. He's the man. I think it came out the balls. So here we are, guys, up in the air. About 30 feet up right now. Wanted to show you the pipes. This is where they come through the roof and down and over about 12, 13 feet. There's our liquid line. Suction line comes down, trapped, and then we come in. Here's the distributor tubes on this thing, huh? The distributor's huge. About 34, 35 tubes on that thing. Got a 12-ton TXB in here. This is the solenoid I'm having an issue with. I gotta figure out what's going on with it, but I wanted to show you this. And then, see while we're up here, here's the drain lines I was talking about. Beautiful, beautiful job. Comes down, these 3 are tied into one. They go down here, right down out the side of the building. It's great, excellent work. But look at this thing. This distributor is massive on this. Crazy. Now it appears our solenoid's working. See this? That clicking, the gas coming through. Okay. Wonder if there was a little piece of debris or something stuck in there from the installation. Sometimes you get a little crap in the pipes that gets stuck in there. I don't know. I'm going to keep an eye on this for now, but as of right now it's working, so I'm going to go up and finish getting the charge of this thing. So as you can see, I showed you this box. We come around here. Here's the last blower. Now getting into the loading dock area. That blower above me, they're huge. They don't look as big on this, but they're 16 feet long, about 4 feet tall too. 2 above me, another 2 over there. It's a whole loading dock area. It doesn't look nearly as big on camera here as it is in real life. But these are the 2 60 horse units, one for those 2 and one for the 2 above me. So, be starting them up at some point, boys. This is where the water comes out of the drains, guys. Usually there's 2 or 3 evaporators, depending on their location, tied into one outlet here at the side of the building. You can see it's coming out at a pretty good clip, but the other day, water was just dumping out of here. It was like you had a faucet on. It was pulling out so much humidity out of this box. Right now, it feels real nice in there. So, a lot of the humidity's been pulled out of there already, but the other day it was unreal how much was dumping out of here. And it goes all the way down the whole length, you know, all the way to the end there. So, pretty good.
Evening, boys. Here relaxing now. Just wanted to give you a little more footage of today. Just show you guys the inside of this job. I did a couple superheats. I didn't get to film them. I finished charging that unit with the that I was having an issue with the solenoid with, and I don't know, we're gonna go from there. Either tomorrow I'm gonna start up one of those big 60 horse loading dock units, or I'm just gonna continue checking superheats. As you probably saw from the video, they got all kinds of product on the ground there, so I don't know if they're gonna be able to move that for me or what, but just figured I'd bring you guys a little continuation from yesterday and show you the inside. I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can. this video is probably not going to be a lot of like, you know, showing like teaching wise, but I just figured I'd show this project because I'm really proud of it. What me and my coworkers did on this, and I think it came out awesome. So I just wanted to, you know, share this with everyone because I figured you guys would probably be interested in something like this. It's a little something different from the norm. Like I said, I do walk-ins all the time, but not of this size, you know, so it's really cool. But again, guys, thanks for all the support and everything. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want, and I'll catch you boys in the next one.